How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about why is your knee making a crunching sound. Easy solution. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So if you're hearing that sound, it could be knee crepitus, which can basically means it's the start of osteoarthritis. What I would do is I would stop overusing the kneecap as much as you can. Overuse injuries can start knee crepitus. So if you stop overusing it, there is a good chance that it doesn't start with the osteoarthritis. You can probably prevent it. Just try to limit the use until the knee crepitus goes away, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.